Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to another super exciting episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what's going to come out of a box, what kind of box it is, or maybe even whose box it come out of. But before we get unboxing, we're going to get uncanny with a nice can of Coca-Cola. It's morning time for me, so I'm not drinking beer. But I want to unbox this because I'm going to be using it this afternoon. Drink up, Buttercup. Have yourself a Coke and a fucking smile, eh? Woo! Today's box is yellow, blue, brown, white, red, and it's made of cardboard. It measures 7 inches by 3.5 inches by 1.5 inches and weighs 434 grams. When you shake it, sounds like that. Oh, and there's a tiny bit of green on there too. And it looks like this. Tender flake puff pastry. Baking instructions, and in French. Barcode for all you barcode hounds. Words. Nutritional value. If you give a shit, I don't. Well, let's see if there's actually puff pastry in there. Maybe there's like a sea bass or something in there. I don't know. Okay, let's give her a whirl, boys and girls. And others. Listen, 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 listen. Oh, listen. Oh, wow. Oh. My goodness, what is it? Oh, it's not a sea bass. It is puff pastry. 2 sheets. There you go. Looky, looky. Woohoo! 2 sheets of puff pastry in a bag. Wasn't that exciting? Aren't you glad to see? Well, maybe there's something else in the box. Hello? No, box is empty. It's unboxed. There you go, bitches. Cheers, big ears. Until the next super exciting episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures. Have a beauty fucking day. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Fuck yeah.